about my recipe, how to cook chicken wings in microwave oven. So first, we have to clean thoroughly our chicken wings by rubbing some salt. Actually, coarse salt sana dito, pero wala kaming coarse salt, kaya table salt ang ginamit ko. Spread it all over, then rub the salt into your chicken wings para matanggal yung mga unnecessary things or mga small mga balahibo dyan or mga dugo na yun ang nakakapangit ng lasa ng ating chicken wings. So this is how I make it para maging masarap ang ating chicken wings. So rub it guys with salt, then after that soak for a while and wash it under clear running water. So super bilis lang siya. And by the way, to those who are new to my channel, please don't forget to click subscribe, like, and click that notification bell para updated kayo sa mga bagong videos natin i-upload. And thank you so much para sa lahat ng mga walang sawang sumusuporta sa aking channel. So let's continue guys. Ganito lang siya, paano linisin yung chicken wings ninyo. Dahil hindi siya fresh, frozen ito siya. Kaya we have to clean it thoroughly. Defrost your chicken wings, then rub it with coarse salt and let it sit for a while, mga 15 minutes to 30, then wash it under running water, tap water. Then after nyan is drain it. You have to drain it properly or use some paper towel. Dito sa amin guys is paper towel. So it's almost done. So ayan siya. I have to drain it using the tray. Tingnan nyo, ang linis niya, ang puti. So shoutout nga pala sa lahat dyan. Thank you so much sa inyong walang sawang suporta sa aking channel. Thank you. And God bless everyone. Then let's continue. Ayan siya yung minced garlic para maging mabango ang ating chicken wings. So, depende sa inyo kung gaano kadaming garlic ang inyong gamitin. Then, in a bowl, para sa inyong marination, mix oil, corn oil, or any oil na depende sa inyong preference. Then, rice wine. Hindi na ako gumagamit ng measuring spoon. Natansya ko na siya dahil araw-araw naman ganito. So, ayun siya, about 1 spoon. Then, light soy sauce, about 1 tablespoon din. Then, sugar, brown sugar. Yan siya yung cooking sugar dito. Around 1 teaspoon. Then yung 5 pieces marinade. Actually guys, kapag marami ito siya, iyan lang ang lahat na gagamitin ko. Pero dahil kulang, kaya I have to mix it with light soy sauce, sugar, and wine. Pero kapag marami pa, yung 5 pieces marinade, kahit iyon lang. Then, mix your garlic and stir it thoroughly. And ilagay na ninyo ang inyong chicken wings. So, depende sa inyo. Kapag gusto niyo medyo maalat-alat, pwede niyo damihan yung light soy sauce or konti lang yung sugar. Ayan siya. I use a paper towel para i-dry yung chicken wings. Then, isa-isa kong nilalagay dyan para maganda yung yung resulta. And you have to marinate it guys in about 1 to 2 hours para maging malasa ang inyong chicken wings. Kahit wala siyang oven, microwave oven dito or kahit i-fry guys, ganyan gawin niyo. It tastes really good and perfect. So, almost done. Yan siya. Let's mix it together. So, look at that. Nag-unti-unti na siyang mag-change yung color. Then, around, halimbawa kapag 2 hours, kapag marami kayong time guys, you can soak it for 2 hours. So, every 15 minutes or 20 minutes or 30 minutes, pwede niyo siyang baliktarin. Para mas spread evenly yung taste niya. So, this is how I make it. My chicken wings into a very tasty one. And stay tuned guys. Paano lutuin ito sa microwave? So, look. So, after 1 hour guys, dahil wala akong oras, yan lang siya. Ayan, look. Yung color niya is nag-change. So, ito siyang plate is microwavable. Hindi siya pwede i-microwave yung stainless. Pero ito siya designed for microwave. So, ayan siya. Arrange your chicken wings into the plate. Then, yung sauce niya is pwede niyo siyang ilagay din para maging mas lalong maging malasa ang inyong chicken wings. Then, this is our microwave. Manual yan siya guys. Kumbaga, lumang microwave na. Lumang modelo ng microwave. So, ayan siya. I have to use a stand. Yung stainless, hindi rin yan siya stainless guys. Microwavable yan siya. Anong tawag nun? Alloy? Alloy yata. Yeah. So, ayan. Make it sure na hindi siya mag-touch sa bawat gilid. Then, close it properly. And you have to press power. Combination with the grill. So, it will automatically set into 5 seconds and it will, when you hear the sound, toot, you have to just press start until it reaches 8 minutes. So, ayan siya. Then, after ng 8 minutes, you have to turn it upside down. So, look at that. Mabilis lang siya guys and luto na. So, that's all. Thank you, everyone. Mega love shoutout. God bless.